Jeremy from 2 through 1 Web Development. I was taking a look at one of my sites here. Like, this is a site that's pretty much ready to go to the client for like final approval or whatever. I just wanted to get some a few things cleaned up or whatever. So let's take a look at what we got going here. This is a WordPress website. Like, let's take a look at, this is the login page right here. Like, if you're on your home page or whatever, you jump into the login, you can see that we got like our login page styled out. We just strip down, like, I use a plugin that strips down the WordPress branding like off from the page or whatever. So we go ahead and log in here. Let's see what we got going on. Okay, the dashboard is looking all right now. We got the 2 through 1 web dev stuff over here. Let's see what else we got going here. Like, I think what I'm going to do is mess with these right here. Like, these are from, like, so I've got some plugins here. I don't have a whole lot going on. But one of the things that I have going on is this remove WP branding thing or whatever. Like, it's actually, like, if you view it, it's actually me that built it. Like, that's me right there, and that's me. So let's see what's going on. Let's jump up into that. One of the things that it does, man, is it gives you a couple of dashboards that we can do there. Let's see, like, what is it that I wanted there? Let me think about what it is that I want here. Let's make sure we got something for the Facebook page here. So I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of this. What is this? What is this all about? Let's get out of here. What are we going to do? Let's do this. Let's go ahead here and cut this up. Big 1200. Saving it pretty small here. Maybe a little bit better than that. Let's call this. Go ahead and jump back in here. Let's add this to the media library. I'm going to give this alt text. Let's see, my Facebook stuff. This is what I need right here is this URL. I'm going to do, what do I got going here? What is all this? What data chart? So what do I got going in that dashboard here? There ain't nothing there. How would I have all this stuff here? So weird. Let's see what that one's looking like. Oop. Do that. Let's fix that up there. Let's give this a little style. Cool with that. Oh, let's turn the why? Let's turn this into a link. What I got going on here? There it is. What are we doing here? I wonder though too if that's really what I want them to do. Maybe I should target that. Didn't I get it? What happened, dear man? Why is it out there? Oh, I put it in a crazy spot. That'll work. Alright, so what are we thinking? That'll work. I wanted to get something else right here. Like I was gonna get some sort of tutorial or something. One of the things I'm gonna have to do is, what do we got going on here? Oh, the post. So if you look at the post for this client, like what we've got, like the post pages, like we've used that to like serve up their services. Like this client right here, they put like all their sermons or whatever like on Facebook Live. So they're all here and you can just embed them into the page. I'm actually gonna do a little video on that in a moment here. See how I can get it working. But yeah, that's all for now. Anyways, yeah, I'm Jeremy from 231 Web Dev. Just, you know, doing some of these videos for fun. Thank you. Have fun. Later.